Today's question is: what are the nature and background of running? The Olympic Games were initiated by ancient Greeks in 776 BC and were named after Olympia, the host city, and Mount Olympus, the highest mountain during that time. It was believed that the ancient Greeks conducted various events, like running or sprinting, that lasted only for a day. The players ran with their bare feet. They soon developed games that can be played for 4 days. They included discus and javelin throw, which is known as a track and field event today. Currently, the Olympic Games are held every 4 years, with numerous countries participating in them. The marathon was believed to be a commemoration of Pheidippides, a legendary Greek soldier who ran 40 kilometers from Greece to Athens during 490 BC. In 1896, the marathon became part of the modern Olympic Games. In 1921, the distance became standardized by the International Amateur Athletic Federation, or IAAF. In other countries, historians believe that rural areas in Europe held religious festivals that started competitive running among the locals. The Tailteann Games, or funeral games in Ireland, were held to honor the deceased and the goddess Talchu. The games would begin in late summer until the first day of August Eve. Various sports were added, such as the tug of war and running. Another religious festival game which is known in northern Britain is the fell running. The marathons ran across the moor and the hills. It was a game during harvest and Easter celebrations. During the 16th century, the term jogging was coined and used by swordsmen as a training technique, especially among noble men. This term was soon used as a tool for fitness. In the late 19th and 20th centuries, most professional trainers and athletes used jogging in training and playing sports to develop their fitness levels.